In Thailand, food is a language, a way to show love and connect. Mango sticky rice is the sweetest expression of this, found everywhere from street stalls to elegant restaurants. Perfectly ripe mango, glistening sticky rice, creamy coconut sauce, simple, beautiful, and unforgettable. It's more than dessert, it's a sweet welcome to Thailand. Let's talk about the mangoes first. Not just any mango will do for a perfect plate of mango sticky rice. The most prized varieties are and. These mangoes are famous for their heavenly fragrance, their fiberless, buttery flesh, and their intense honey-like sweetness. When they are in season from around March to June, they're at their absolute peak. The fruit is so sweet and juicy that it melts in your mouth. This seasonal peak is what makes the dish so special. It's a celebration of nature's best, a reminder to enjoy the simple, wonderful things when they are available. Then we have the sticky rice, or this is not your ordinary rice. It's a glutinous variety that when steamed becomes wonderfully chewy and, well, sticky. The real secret, however, is what happens after it's cooked. The hot, steamed rice is bathed in a sweetened coconut milk mixture, often infused with a pinch of salt and a pandan leaf for aroma. It soaks up all that creamy goodness, becoming rich, fragrant, and slightly salty. This saltiness is key. It cuts through the sweetness of the mango and the richness of the coconut, creating a flavor profile that is beautifully complex and incredibly addictive. The final, crucial element is the coconut cream that's drizzled on top right before serving. This is usually a thicker, richer version of the coconut milk used to soak the rice, and it's almost always a little salty. This final touch brings everything together. It adds another layer of creamy texture and a savory counterpoint that makes you want to take another bite and then another. Paired with the optional crunchy, savory toasted mung beans or sesame seeds, you have a symphony of textures in every spoonful. The soft mango, the chewy rice, and the crispy topping. This combination of sweet, salty, creamy, and chewy is what makes mango sticky rice so irresistible. It hits all the right notes. It's a dessert that feels both indulgent and refreshing at the same time. The warmth of the freshly prepared sticky rice against the cool, sweet mango is a contrast that is simply divine. It's this thoughtful balance, this deep understanding of how different flavors and textures can work together in perfect harmony, that elevates mango sticky rice from a simple dessert to a culinary masterpiece. It's the reason why, once you try it, you'll understand the mania. Mango sticky rice isn't just a trend, it's a taste of Thai history. Once a royal treat, it's now beloved by everyone, from palace to street stalls. Simple, sweet, and shared by all, mango sticky rice bridges tradition and everyday joy. Mango sticky rice is built on a holy trinity: sticky rice, ripe mango, and rich coconut. The rice is soaked, steamed, and ready to absorb coconut goodness. The mango, especially Nam Dok Mai, is sweet, fragrant, and buttery. Coconut milk ties it all together, making every bite a perfect harmony of flavors. In Thai culture, mango sticky rice is more than just a sweet way to end a meal. It actually carries a deeper meaning and plays an important role in social life. It's often a centerpiece during celebrations, especially during the hot season which, coincides with the Thai New Year Songkran. Families gather and share plates of mango sticky rice as a way to celebrate the harvest and the new year. It's really a food of happiness, a dish that signifies abundance and good fortune. Seeing it on the table during a festival is a sign of good times and togetherness. The dish is also a symbol of hospitality. When you visit a Thai home, being offered food is a sign of a warm welcome. Offering mango sticky rice is an even greater gesture of generosity and care. It shows that your host wants you to experience one of the best and most beloved flavors of their culture. It's a way of sharing a piece of their national pride. This act of sharing food is central to Thai social interactions, and mango sticky rice is one of the most cherished dishes to share with guests, whether they are old friends or new acquaintances from across the world. Furthermore, mango sticky rice represents the strong connection Thais have with nature and the seasons. Its peak popularity from March to June is no accident. It's directly tied to the mango harvest. This seasonality makes people appreciate it even more. There's this sense of excitement and anticipation as mango season approaches. It's a reminder to live in the moment and enjoy the gifts of nature when they are at their best. This connection to the agricultural calendar gives the dish a rhythm and a place in the year that makes it feel even more special. Finally, for many Thais, mango sticky rice is pure comfort food. It's a taste of childhood, a flavor that brings back fond memories of family, festivals, and simple joys. Just like a warm bowl of soup might comfort someone in a cold climate, a plate of sweet, creamy mango sticky rice provides emotional comfort in Thailand. It's a nostalgic flavor that soothes the soul. This emotional connection is perhaps the biggest reason for its enduring popularity. It's not just about the taste, it's about how it makes you feel, happy, content, and connected. Thai street food is a vibrant, delicious world, especially when it comes to mango sticky rice. Across Thailand, simple carts serve this perfect dessert: sweet mango, warm sticky rice, and salty coconut cream. Just follow your senses, the aroma, the crowds, the rhythm of the market. Eating it right there, surrounded by the city's energy, is the true Thai experience. Thailand's fresh markets are vibrant mazes filled with color, sound, and the irresistible aroma of mango sticky rice. Here, family-run stalls serve legendary sticky rice with lines of eager locals and visitors. Choose from classic white, purple butterfly pea or green pandan sticky rice. Vendors source the freshest mangoes and coconuts right from the market. Eating here feels like discovering a delicious local secret. Sometimes, you just crave a more relaxed setting. That's when you head to a restaurant for mango sticky rice. Here, you can savor each bite in comfort after a delicious Thai meal. The dish arrives beautifully plated, often with elegant garnishes. Whether in a simple eatery or fine dining spot, enjoying mango sticky rice as a sit-down dessert is pure satisfaction. The journey to mango sticky rice begins with a single wonderful choice. You scan the golden mangoes, deciding whole or half. The vendor smiles, inviting you to pick. Next, you choose your sticky rice, classic white, deep purple, or fragrant green. With your choices made, the vendor prepares your plate. The dream is about to become reality. Watch as the vendor moves with practiced grace, slicing and peeling a ripe mango with fluid, dance-like motions. Each piece is perfectly cut, glistening with juice and aroma. Next, sticky rice is scooped, shaped, and placed beside the mango, yellow and white, a stunning contrast. Coconut sauce and crispy mung beans finish the masterpiece, assembled before your eyes in moments. You're handed a warm plate of mango sticky rice. You find a quiet spot, take in the sweet mango, fragrant coconut, and nutty beans. With care, you scoop mango, sticky rice, coconut sauce, and crunchy beans onto your spoon. The first bite is a perfect balance: warm rice, cool mango, creamy coconut, and a hint of salt. Pure bliss. That first bite of mango sticky rice is pure bliss. Soft, buttery mango, chewy rice soaked in sweet coconut milk, and a surprise crunch from toasted mung beans. Every texture and flavor plays its part, creating a symphony of sensations that leaves you smiling, satisfied, and craving more. My first taste of mango sticky rice wasn't in Thailand. It was at a Thai restaurant in the US. After a meal of green curry and pad Thai, the server suggested their signature dessert, mango sticky rice. I'd heard the name, but had no idea what to expect. The plate arrived, pale mango, a neat square of sticky rice, a drizzle of coconut sauce. I took a bite. It was sweet, creamy, and just okay. No fireworks, no revelation, just a pleasant dessert. For years, that was my only impression. I didn't seek it out again, never quite understanding the hype. When people raved about it, I'd nod along, but secretly wondered what I was missing. I assumed I knew what mango sticky rice was all about, but I was wrong. The real magic of a dish often depends on where, how, and with whom you eat it. Local ingredients, tradition, and context can transform a simple plate into something unforgettable. My first taste was just a whisper of what mango sticky rice could be. The real story, and my love for this dish, hadn't even begun. Sometimes you have to travel to the source to discover the truth. That's exactly what happened when I finally made it to Thailand, and everything changed. My real mango sticky rice education began on my first trip to Bangkok. A friend insisted, "You have to go to Sukhumvit Soi 38. The street was alive. Grills sizzling, noodles frying, and the sweet scent of ripe mangoes and coconut milk in the air. I followed my nose to a simple cart with a long line. The vendors moved with practiced speed, surrounded by glowing golden mangoes and steaming rice. This was nothing like my first experience. The anticipation was electric. When my turn came, I watched as a perfect mango was sliced, warm, sticky rice scooped, and everything drenched in coconut sauce with a sprinkle of crunchy beans. The plate looked like art. I found a plastic stool and took a bite. Mango, rice, sauce, all together. Instantly I understood. The mango was honey sweet and buttery, the rice warm and chewy, the sauce rich and creamy, the beans crisp. Every element was in perfect harmony. This was the dish people raved about. It was a revelation. One bite, and I was hooked. The energy of the street, the freshness of the ingredients, the care in preparation, it all mattered. Mango sticky rice had finally lived up to its legend. I realized I'd only tasted a shadow of the real thing before. This was the beginning of a new obsession. Sometimes the right place and the right moment make all the difference. That night, mango sticky rice became unforgettable, and I knew I'd never look at it the same way again. That bite on Sukhumvit Soy 38 changed everything. Mango sticky rice became more than a dessert. It became a comfort, a memory, a taste of home. Whenever I needed a pick-me-up, I'd seek it out, comparing versions across Thailand. Each vendor's recipe was a new discovery, each plate a new story. Over time, it became woven into my life. Birthdays, reunions, lazy afternoons. It's now a flavor I associate with happiness and belonging. Introducing friends and family to their first real taste became a ritual. Mango sticky rice is more than a famous Thai food. It's a part of my story here. It's a reminder that food is about more than taste. It's about place, people, and moments. That first real bite opened my eyes and my heart to the magic of Thai cuisine. Sometimes a simple dish can become a lifelong love. Give food a second chance, especially in its home country. You never know when a plate of fruit and rice might change your world. It certainly did for me. What makes mango sticky rice so irresistible? It's the harmony. Sweet mango, salty coconut cream, chewy rice, and crunchy beans. Every bite is a balance of flavors and textures. Warm rice, cool fruit, creamy sauce, crisp topping. It's a masterclass in simplicity. Just 3 ingredients, each needing to be perfect. The mango must be ripe, the rice sticky and fresh, the coconut milk rich. There's nowhere to hide, quality shines through. It's a celebration of nature's bounty and Thai culinary philosophy. Mango sticky rice is comfort food, happy food. You see it in the smiles of everyone eating it, locals and visitors alike. It's a dish for celebrations, for comfort, for sharing. Accessible, affordable, and always satisfying. Its magic is in the joy it brings, a small luxury that brightens any day. Once you fall in love with it, you never forget it. That's the true allure, pure, uncomplicated happiness on a plate, and that's why it's a Thai classic. Ready for your own mango sticky rice adventure in Thailand? Here are my top tips. Follow the locals. Long lines mean great food. Don't be shy, the crowd is your best guide. Eat it during mango season, March to June, for the sweetest, most fragrant fruit. The difference is incredible. Customize your order, less sweet, extra beans, or even pick your own mango. Vendors are usually happy to help, just smile and ask. Most importantly, eat it fresh. The magic is in the contrast between warm rice and cool mango. Don't save it for later, the texture won't be the same. Find a spot, sit down, and savor the moment. Let the flavors and the atmosphere sink in. It's an experience, not just a dessert. Every plate is a memory in the making. Enjoy it as the Thais do, right there, right then. That's how you'll remember it best. And you'll want to remember it. Mango sticky rice is more than a dish, it's a taste of Thai culture. It tells a story of history, tradition, and the beauty of simple, fresh ingredients. Eating it is like tasting a piece of Thailand's soul. For any traveler, it's as essential as visiting the Grand Palace or relaxing on a beach. Sharing a plate creates memories that last long after your trip ends. It's Thailand's sweetest welcome, a hug on a plate. Slow down, savor the moment, and let the flavors tell their story. Find that street vendor, order a plate, and take that first perfect bite. Let yourself fall in love with the sweetness, the comfort, the richness. Mango sticky rice is more than dessert. It's an unforgettable part of your journey. Your own mango memory is waiting to be made. So go ahead, accept the invitation. Thailand is ready to share its sweetest secret with you. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.